Hello everybody, it is Mike Les bringing you a video from the 2019 Half Century of Progress show in Rantoul, Illinois. This show is held every other year, and this is just the best of the best shows for seeing vintage or antique farm equipment. You get to see it out in the field in action. There is just about everything you can think of here. I'm going to break this up. This is one of many videos. The video here is going to be the combines and the shellers running, harvesting corn. I do have plenty of other videos coming. I will have soybean harvest, moldboard plowing, corn picking, tillage, and then just walking around the show checking out some of the equipment. So I got a lot of good stuff coming from this 2019 show, so stay tuned. The show runs Thursday through Sunday, so for 2019 it runs from August 22nd through August 26th. This show works out really good for me. I'm over in Decatur setting up for the Farm Progress show for Versatile. So anyways, get the show all set up and then come over here on the weekend, check all this out, and then Tuesday the Farm Progress show will start in Decatur and go to that. There is a lot to see at this show. I ended up walking over 8.5 miles just the one day here, and I did not get to see everything, but just bouncing back and forth between the fields. You're going to see a lot of carts and UTVs and so forth in this vehicle, and sometimes, depending where things are going on in the field, to get from one point to the other quick, that's what you need. But anyways, just a great show. Let's turn it over now. Let's watch the combines in action. So to have crops ready for this show, they plant a short day of corn. This year the corn did not mature down, wasn't quite ready, so they did spray it down a couple weeks ago with salt water, I'm told. Even though the ears were dry enough to harvest and so forth, it still needs to be ran through the dryer. So there's a lot of portable grain dryers here at the show. And got this John Deere 550 here. Don't know the story behind this, if John Deere actually built these back in the day or somebody built it for them, but if you do know the story, comment below, let us know. And this one here is for sale, so if you're into collecting John Deere stuff, this would probably be a pretty neat thing to have in your collection. Anyways, all the ear corn is shelled too and ran through the dryers and so forth, and then they put it here in these grain carts. And how about this nice Designation 6 Versatile and Kinsey grain cart to end the video. That's going to do it for this video, but like I said, stay tuned. I still have a lot more good stuff coming, so thanks for watching and subscribing to Mike Less's YouTube channel.